Me queda 1% y lo usaré solo para decírtelo.
Which organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body?
The cardiovascular system.
Oh. Yeah, the organ.
The heart,
Yes.
which is the main part of the cardiovascular system.
You're so smart. You go to Harvard? What's the capital of Washington?
It can't be Washington, D.C. because it's Washington, right? Seattle.
Oh, Seattle. Right.
Seattle, Washington.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
What's the equation for pi?
I don't know the equation. Oh,
314. Yeah. Is that
Close, but almost there.
3.14.
There you go. Wow. How many consonants are there?
Oh my gosh.
No way.
A, E, I, O, and U.
Bruh.
She's so smart. Okay.
Continents.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you said continents.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. Cause
No, isn't that vowels?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Man,
What's the largest bone in the human body?
You suck. The what?
The largest bone in the body.
B-roll. Oh, yeah. Alright, another question.
Farmer George, what's 13 times 3?
13 times 3?
Yeah.
Hold up, I gotta do the math real quick. So, 3 times 3, that's 9. Is it 19?
That's correct. Next.
Prendo para irme a dormir, porque duermo mejor si sueño que estás aquí. Si supieras que te escribí, te he mandado los mensajes, siguen todos ahí. Wow.
Which continent is known as the dark continent?
I have no. Fucking what's it called?
Antarctica? No. No, that has fucking Antarctica.
Okay, that's correct. Let's go.
Antarctica?
No, it's Africa. Come on.
No. Alright. Look, no. I can't do math.
Are you ready?
I can't do math.
You got this. What's 8 times 9?
I don't even know the multiplication table.
Say a number.
31? Wait, 71.
You got that right.
Say 7. That's because I know how to
I'm
do
just
that.
kidding. It's 72. Okay, next. Okay. A farmer has 17 sheep. All but 9 die. How many are left?
17 sheep.
Yeah.
They got 9 dead.
Yeah.
What's that? 8?
No, that was wrong.
Fuck.
Very wrong. You gotta go back to math class.
oh, no.
what planet rotates sideways?
Oh, fuck. Goddamn. Making me sweat. Fuck it, I'm about to say Saturn.
Uranus.
Oh, fuck no. What's 12 times 9?
12 times 9? 274.
Wow! Mathematician right here!
I'm better at my 12 than anybody else.
What does the stripes on the American flag represent? Girl, I don't know that.
Give us an answer.
Yeah, I gotta guess. The states, I guess. I don't know. Oh, okay. I mean, it's close. So close. What's the closest planet to the sun?
Mercury, right?
Yeah, you got that right. So, okay, let's
Yeah. It's the least populated continent.
Continents.
Is there a time limit?
5. I have no. 4. Give me a random answer. 3, 2, 1. South America.
Incorrect. Antarctica. I was gonna say Antarctica.
Do it.
Oh. How many planets are there? Easy.
How many pilots?
Planets.
Oh, planets? One answer.
You used to break too
There's a
hard.
lot, you know, like there's infinite in the universe, in the giga
In our
universe.
solar system, goddammit.
Yeah, you're dumb.
My mother.
There's hats.
8.
Fine, but fuck me, right? Tell us what the word is.
Okay, what is the process where green plants use to synthesize food from?
Bam! Yeah, that quick.
Give him one.
She should know this because she's really smart. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, this is a medical question. What is the name of this instrument? You're a fucking no. Come on, we graduated. You know this.
Oh my god. I know it's not the weighted.
Oh, no,
shit.
the Harvard weighted is something
Okay.
else.
Oh, damn.
Not the Harvard. Oh my god, I don't remember. Why didn't you do the Harvard?
Too much. What is it? It's a Grace bivalve.
Oh, hell no.
Your question is, what are the 3 biggest states in the U.S.?
Texas,
Pressure's on.
California. Nevada.
Final answer?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. What's the answer? Alaska.
Oh.
Your question is, name the last 5 presidents.
Fuck, I don't know about presidents.
Come on now.
All right, Abraham Lincoln.
That's
George,
5.
That's 5.
Okay, my boy Trump, Biden. Is Hillary one or what?
No.
Presidents.
No. Shit.
Come on now.
Nah, I don't
You
know.
got time.
Okay,
Look at my skin color now.
Yeah.
Dang, you could have similar.
OB.
Oh,
No. That make it hard. No
fuck, I have his name. I just can't.
No way.
What was his name?
Who does he look like? Who does he look like?
Bro, that's fucked up.
You know who it is. Let's say it.
It rhymes the first one.
The first like this one.
You got 2 out of 4.
And son of Osama.
Nah, I
40
can't get his
seconds.
name. I have like in the top of my head.
First like this rhymes with Osama.
I know. I have. What's it? Hey, Osama bin Laden. Nah, I just. Shit, bro. What's his name?
I said it rhymes
Obama.
with it.
One more. One more. 20 seconds.
Ooh, I know.
See?
Who's before Obama?
Fuck, BC.
15 seconds.
Nah, I didn't get it though.
Come on. Who's before Obama?
Shit, I don't know, dog. I didn't do my history class.
Who's the very first president?
It's what you wish your girl doesn't have. What?
My time is up, dog. I didn't.
Yeah, that was fucking easy.
God, stop judging me.
Sorry, dude.
Shit. Next question. There's 2? Yeah, you said 2.
Oh, shit.
Name 3 capitals. I like that. What's the next question?
Name 3 capitals.
Oh, 3 capitals? Oh, shit. Austin. My brain broke.
It's not one, dude.
Little Rock.
That's not a capital.
Little Rock.
And what's another one? Another one. Is Las Vegas the capital of Nevada? You don't think so?
Yeah.
Another one?
What's the capital of New York?
Is it New York?
No, it's not.
That's not the capital of New York. I don't know. My brain is gonna.
What type of species or animal is a koala?
A koala.
No. What?
A mammal.
No.
A species.
Type of animal. What type of animal? Come on.
A mammal. I don't know what you
It's
mean.
not a mammal. What else?
I don't know, bro.
Not a reptile. Come on.
Camera's making me nervous.
That's the point.
Oh, these are just like, sir.
A herbivore?
No.
The fuck? I don't know.
A species.
That's a weird question. 5.
You said
I don't
mammal.
know. I don't know. 3. I'm done for. I don't know. 2.
Try again.
1. I don't know. Last time, let you go. You mean like a scientific term for it?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know.
Your question is, what is the biggest organ in your body?
Oregon?
Yeah.
Say something.
Then it's gonna sound stupid.
Yes, it is.
Just say something. That's all I don't know. Come on. Name one.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It is the skin.